Hello friends, in previous video I explained you and I completed all the tools we use in Sketcher Workbench, and also I told that in the upcoming video I will be showing some example files. Okay, so initially you open a part design window. Okay, after that you open a image. Okay, go to file, open. Okay, so here you have different images. You can use any of the image. Okay, so I'll select this first one. Okay, open. So now this image is opened in CATIA. You divide this screen into two parts. Go to Windows and make it tilt vertically. Okay, so if you do like this, so it will be very easy to do the sketches, because one side you will have the reference and other side you have the window. Okay, now I will draw the sketch on YZ plane. Select this and I will enter to the Sketcher Workbench. Okay, which are the tools you don't want, you can keep it aside. Okay, so to create this I will consider this point as 0 point. Okay, I will start from this point. Okay, I will create circle at this point of radius 2 mm. The diameter is 2 mm. That means I'm going to create for 1 mm. Fit this. Next, so I will create another circle of 1.25 mm radius. 1.25. Okay, see here I can create one more circle with the help of coordinates, because I know the coordinates here. Okay, so 3 into 3, and the radius of this circle is, see, h is 3, that is the distance from here to here, that is horizontal distance is 3, vertical distance is 3. Okay, and the radius of the inner circle, diameter of the inner circle is 0.75, that means 0.75 divided by 2. Okay, and I'll create one more with the radius 0.75. Okay, sorry, this is wrong, delete. Select this option, 3 mm, 3 mm, 3 mm. Okay, and the radius is 0.75. It's correct only. Okay, now it is created properly. Okay, you can zoom it by pressing the scroll button and click the right click button, then move the mouse. You press scroll. Okay, keep pressing, then just click the right button once, then move the mouse, so it will be zoom in, zoom out. Okay, next I'll create this circle. So similarly I can use the same option here. Okay, the horizontal distance will be 6 mm and the vertical direction will be minus 2 mm. Radius will be inner radius will be 1.25 by 2. Enter. So it will be created here. Okay, again I will select this. If you know the tricks of this sketching, so it will be very easy for you. Next is radius is 1 mm. So just let me undo this. Okay, I'll select this again. I'll say okay. Okay, so the main thing is created here now. So now I will create one tangent to these two circles. One tangent is created. Next is, so I need to create another circle like with the tangent here, okay, and here. So how to do that? So let me do that with the help of this arc. Okay, select, simply click here somewhere. Okay, so this is how we create. Now define the radius using this constraint option. So this should be 6 mm. Double click on the dimension and enter the real value. Okay, now make these two tangent. How to make this and this tangent? Select this option, select the first line and select the second line, right click, you can select this tangency. So this is tangent. Now here this is already made tangent while creating the arc itself. Okay, again I'll select the same option here. Okay, you can select this. Whenever you move somewhere, you can see the blue lines are created. So like this, that means these lines will come to create the geometrical constraints. So if you don't want to create these geometrical constraints, better you press shift or you must move somewhere. For example, if you click here, so you can see some vertical line is appearing there. That means your point will be coincidence with this vertical axis, so it's better to move somewhere here. Okay, so here you can see I want to create arc somewhat like this. I'll use the second option. So like this I need. Okay, I will go to select this constraint option, select this and select this line, make this tangency, again select this and select this line, make it tangency. Now that only remaining thing is giving the radius. This is 4 mm. Okay, but still the profile is not complete because we need this kind of profile, but we can see here many circles inside it which are not cut. What we can do, we can use the relimitation options. We can use this quick trim, double click on this, select, this is not getting cut because you can see here the last option is used. So before performing this operation, select the first option. Okay, select, this is gone, this is gone, and this is gone. And now you need to check whether the sketch is iso constrained or under constrained or fully constrained. Okay, where it is here somewhere. Select this. See, sketch is fully constrained. So this is how you need to draw the sketch. You can exit this, you can make some solid here using this option. So like this will be the solid. Okay, so this is how I shown you the first sketch. Okay, now I'll close this. I'll open another sketch to show as an example. Okay, I'll choose some difficult option, difficult sketch. Okay, and you try some other sketches. Okay, you can download these sketches in Google. Okay, if you just search Sketcher drawings for CATIA, you will get these drawings. Okay, I'll open this and I'll make it 2-part. Okay, now again I will start similarly as I done previously. Okay, so like this. So I'll start defining the center circle. Okay, this will be the origin for me. What is the radius of the center circle here? 2.55 is the diameter. 2.55 divided by 2. Enter. Next thing is we need to create 3 circles. Okay, the reference circle radius is 2.375. so 2.375 is the radius. 2.375. Enter and make this into construction line. Okay, that is just for reference. And now I can use this option. Okay, I will go for polar. Okay, the first one is created at 0 angle. Okay, this radius is 2.375 and angle is 0, and the radius of this circle is 1 mm. Okay, I enter. Okay, so this is created here. So I make undo because I have entered wrong value for the radius. This should be 0.5. Okay, similarly I will create at 120 degree because you can check the angle here, because these circles are divided into 3. Okay, and equally spaced. You can see here, that means 360 divided by 3, 120 degree. Okay, so you can create easily again. So like this. Again you create one more thing at 240 degree. So this is how you created this profile. Now the thing is you need to create this. Okay, so how to create? So this is a little bit difficult part, but if you are experienced engineer, you will not find any problems. You can hide this specification tree, because if you don't want because this is disturbing, because you cannot see these spaces behind this. You can press F3 or you can just scroll up and down, so it will go somewhere. Okay, now I will select this option. Okay, so how to define this? So the first thing you need to do is define the center circle. Okay, with the using this point, the radius of this is 4.125. okay, 4.125. so this is fixed. Now thing is you need to define the angle. So here 20 degree I'll define. So this angle, so I need to click in, wait, here 4.125, fix it, then fix this 20 degree. Okay, now you can see here it starts from the 20 degree only. So for what angle you need to enter? So you need to enter for another 80 degree. Okay, 80. Okay, so this is fixed. Next thing is you need to define the radius. The radius of this is 0.75. You can define here 0.75. Enter. So like this it is created, but still you can see these things, these two curves are under constraint. So to make it constraint, select this constraint option, select this line, and we have no horizontal line here. Select this and you can define the 20 degree angle. So this is how it will be made a constraint. You can see this is not looking curvilinear. So what you can do, go to tools, options, okay, here go to display, go to performance. Here go to proportional and make it a 0.01, make it 0.01. So now this can be visualized as a circular thing. Okay, now again we create the same thing here also. At equally it should be spaced. Okay, similarly create it. Okay, define the angle, define the radius 0.125, define the angle here 20, 40, 40, 100, 120. Okay, so it will be started from here 120. No, this is wrong, so it's not 120, so this should be 4.125 enter, 140 enter. Okay, then again define the angle, that is for 80. Okay, then this one you need to define again. This is 0.75 enter. So fix it. Again you need to give the angle from here to here, you can give. Okay, one more sketch of similar type is required. So now with 4.125 enter, and the next angle will be where it starts from somewhere here, maybe 260. Yes, 260 plus this is 80. So here again you need to give 0.75 enter. So now this is created at equal distances, but one more thing is you need to define this angle. So now the sketch is, till now it is isoconstraint. Okay, next we need to create the outer circle. So select this, select the center point. Okay, define the radius of the outer circle. Okay, the radius of outer circle is you can see here 5.5. Just enter. This is created now. Now one more thing, you can see openings here created in these locations. Okay, so here the opening is 0.75 and this is symmetrical here. Okay, this is also created at equal distances. Okay, here it may be from here to here, maybe it's maybe 60 degree, again 120 degree, 120 plus 120, 140 degree it is created. Okay, so how to create that? So we need to see it once just by creating lines. What I will do, I follow some method. I will select a line, okay, and I will make this 60 degree. Okay, it will be created here somewhere. For 7 mm I will create. So it's created in negative direction, so not a problem for me. Oh no, it's a problem only. So here I'll fix it somewhere. And I'll make it construction line. So similarly this is 60, and again you need to, here anyway horizontal is there, and here you need to create in another direction. 60, 61, 16 negative direction you need to create. So I can make it symmetry, use this, and this mirror option, it's created here now. Okay, now I will create I'll hide these dimensions, even this I'll hide now. Okay, I will create line. I'll select this offset option. Okay, and select the first one. This is 0.375. I'll enter this 0.375. Okay, on both the sides I want 0.375. 0.375, enter, and I'll make this a standard one now. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the line. Okay, okay, so similarly I'm going to this is with undo. I'll use this. Okay, you can use this option, but the problem is you can see these lines are also deleted, so use quick trim option. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, you can see here you can delete all those things. Okay, sorry, this is not created, I think. Let me check again. I will draw a line parallel to this. I'll make this as 3.75. 0.375, and I'll create one symmetry line. Okay, now I'll trim this area. Okay, so this is how you can create. Okay, similarly you need to do here. Create parallel to this, define the dimensions 0.375 and make it mirror with respect to this axis. Okay, and you can trim it. So very easy method to do this. Again you create another line I have created. Okay, and I'll select this and give dimensions 0.375 and make this line mirror with respect to this horizontal, then trim. So trim like this. So this is how you create the profile. But one more thing is, here you can see radius 0.125 should be given as a corner, that is for these locations. Okay, first option I'll select 0.125. so like this you need to create. Similarly here 0.125, here again even here you need to create same way. Okay, after this analyze the drawing. You can see the sketch is ISO constraint. So the sketch which you create here, it always should be ISO constraint, and you can do the analysis also. If something is under constraint, so you should make it ISO constraint. So here any of the profile or any of the elements you cannot move it. Everything is now constrained fully. All the directions are fixed. Okay, so I'll exit the workbench. Okay, now I can make some solid here. Okay, this is the solid. This is how it looks. Okay, you can see this. In one of the previous video I also told you that I'll explain you about this view modes in upcoming videos. Okay, you can see there are many sharp edges and some smooth edges. These are all smooth edges, these are all sharp edges. Okay, so we can, this is actually just a view mode and it makes no difference on the model. Only viewing mode will be changed, that's it. The first option is shading. So if you click on this, complete all the edges will be hidden and it will not be visible, but actually it will be there, but it will not be visible on the screen. The next is shading with edges. So all the shading edges will be visible. Next is shading with edges and without smooth edges. You can see here wherever fillets are there, the lines which are created due to the fillets will be hidden. Okay, the next is shading with edges and hidden edges. You can see the hidden edges also. So this line is on the other side, this side, so but it is also visible with the help of this. This is actually the material. So see, you can, but the material is not visible here. You can define the material somewhere here. Yes, apply material tool is there, you can use this. Okay, maybe it will take more time to load the material. Okay, okay, so material catalog is opened here. For example, I want to show some metal. Go here, some bronze. Okay, select this, select the part body, then select whichever material you want to show, then apply or okay, say okay. Okay, see the material is applied here. Okay, material information is given here, that is bronze information is given here. Next is wireframe. So here only the wireframes will be visible, solid will not be visible, only wireframe will be visible. The last option is customize view parameters. So here we can customize, so which edges you want to see, all those things we can customize. So as you keep on using the CATIA, you will come to know about all those options. Okay, so this is about the CATIA, and I have completely explained you the Sketcher workbench, and I have shown you 2 examples. Okay, and I hope you all understood my tutorials. Okay, if something has to be improved or if you have any doubts, you can revert with messages. Okay, you can inquire me through email or you can inquire me on Udemy. Okay, so in upcoming video I will go to the next workbench, that is the part design workbench. So you can see here itself, so these are the toolbars which I am going to explain in the part design workbench. Okay, there are many workbench, many tools to explain you. Okay, so these are very important. Okay, so till then enjoy your day and also take care. So hope you all understood and enjoyed my video. So till then, till the next video comes, take care. Bye bye.